Hello, and welcome to the video guide on how to use the new Student Planner. The planner helps students and counselors by mapping out multiple semesters and courses to satisfy degree requirements. Your counselors have access to your planner and can make changes as well. To access the planner, it will be in your My Delta dashboard, and the title is called Student Education Planner. Clicking it will take you to a new tab called the My Plans page. You may already have some plans created by your counselor. Create a new plan by clicking the New Plan button. This will take you to your plan creation page. Enter the name of the plan, the semester to start from, and the number of semesters you want to plan for. Although you can use the planner on your own, we highly recommend that you contact your counselor to get help building your plan and ensure that you select the classes that are right for you. Checking the summer box will include summer semesters into your plan. You can see that one of the semesters was replaced with the next summer semester within the number that we specified. Click the Done button to proceed. This is the plan details page. Your counselor will be able to view and adjust your plans as well. On the top, there is a row of icons for different options. The star will set your primary plan, which will be your focus plan. If you have multiple plans, you can always change your primary plan. Clicking the plan title will edit the plan name. Next is the Switch Plan drop-down menu. You can switch plans quickly to your other plans or create a new plan from here. The plus icon adds a semester and functions exactly as the Add Semester box right here. Copy plan duplicates the current plan and automatically creates it. Clear plan clears out this entire plan from the courses that you've added. Delete plan completely deletes this plan. Below are the semesters that you can add courses to. You can also add additional semesters. To add a course, click the Add button on the semester. It will auto-populate course names as you type. When courses are added, you can click and drag it to other semesters. Click a course to view its details. From here, you can read its information, move it to other semesters, and delete the course from your plan. Placeholders can be added, such as an internship. Clicking the internship placeholder to view its details allows you to add the number of units and a description. You may encounter alerts when adding courses. Alerts appear when there are conflicts such as course may not be available for that semester, course requires a requisite, duplicate course, or is no longer offered. Click the course to view details about the alert. For this one, I will need to move the course to a different semester to alleviate the issue. You can add a comment to a semester that your counselor can view, move the semester to a different position, or delete the semester by clicking the three vertical dots. On the top right is the View Details button. This will bring up your degree requirements and changelog. Degree requirements will need to be updated if there are changes such as majors. It will display the types of courses you still need to take or those that you have already completed and satisfy requirements. The changelog shows a history of all the changes you or your counselor have made to your plan. When scheduling is open, you will see a green banner notification and a schedule button on the open semester. Clicking the schedule button will direct you to the course scheduler where you can add your planned courses. Back to all plans takes you back to all of your created plans. That concludes the video guide.